Now I am.
Hi.
Okay.
You're going to be having a taste test.
Uh-huh.
And here's his first item.
Open.
Spoon. Open. Open. Ah, it's a spoon.
I didn't get anything.
I know.
Oh. Ow. It's frozen. It's frozen yogurt.
No.
Nope.
Do you want to try again, or do you give up?
I give up.
Okay, should we tell him?
No, at the end you will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Ice cream.
We're going to have you put out your hand.
Okay, you can eat it.
Just eat it.
Fruit chew.
What's that?
A fruit chew.
What's
Right.
that?
Oh, it's a gummy vitamin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Correct.
Next.
Next.
Yeah.
That is good.
Okay, I'm sorry. Open is a spoon. Close.
Salt.
Dang.
Yeah.
Correct.
Now you know how we felt.
I liked it.
Next victim. Open.
Relish.
Correct. Ding.
Next is another spoon. Good. A little bit more.
Yeah. Okay.
Open up.
It's kind of a drink.
Oh!
You know what it is?
No.
Are you
No?
sure? Just take a guess.
It was tomato sauce.
Wrong.
Wow. Nasty.
Alright, now open the hand.
Squash.
No.
Zucchini.
No.
I'll write it up there.
Oh. Squash or zucchini or cucumber.
Nope. Okay, stop guessing. Next. Hey, Sarah. Sarah, did we already do this one? Okay. Next one
Peanut butter.
is this. No. Next one is this spoon. Open. It's okay. It's not as bad as usual. Close. What is it?
Oh, no.
Take a guess.
Ketchup.
No.
Nope.
That was gross.
Next one is the ham.
Or
What is it?
it's those little Triscuit things, whatever they're called.
What?
You know what?
You have to be
Specific.
I forget what they're called. I just bought them. The little square things.
They are square.
Triscuit.
Nope.
That's what I call them. And that was the last one.
No, one more. One more. Do you want to give it to him, Sarah?
There's
3.
yeah.
3 more?
No, there's 3
Okay,
of the
open.
same thing.
Raisin.
No.
Raisin.
Yes. Okay.
You can take
Yeah.
off your blindfold.
Now, you missed creamsicle,
Ah!
lemon juice, broccoli, ranch, and a wheat thin.
Oh yeah.
So the only ones you got right were, I don't know.
Was the relish, the salt, and that's it.
The raisins.
That was
And the
gross.
raisins. Okay.
Say bye.